It's some time! What if humans suddenly disappeared?
I am not human. I will always be there.
Oh, some. Firstly, all the animals on the planet will be one happy lot. They will surely have one great after party. Secondly, global warming will be a thing of the past. Global temperatures will slowly but surely return to pre-industrial revolution levels. Thirdly, domesticated animals all around the world will be sad as days of free food will definitely be over. Fourthly, nature will reclaim its rightful place. Trees and bushes will start shooting out of buildings, factories, and bridges. Fifthly, although plastic might stick around for a long amount of time, stock markets will drop to zero. GDP will not matter anymore. Money will just be another piece of paper. Lastly, rats and cockroaches will miss the trash which we humans used to generate every day. What if we could breathe underwater?
Then I won't need to use my submarine anymore.
Oh, some. Firstly, we could just jump in and check out the amazing coral reefs. Secondly, the way we fish could change forever. No more need of those fishing rods. Just jump in and catch your fish. But on the flip side, we will suffer from hypothermia if we start staying in water for a long time. Secondly, our eyes have not evolved to see underwater. Also, many water bodies are not clear enough for us to see far-off objects. Thirdly, communication would be a huge problem. Talking underwater will not be easy, and our present electronic devices will not work efficiently underwater. Lastly, this might be very bad news for many species living underwater as people will start building their homes underwater. What if our brains communicated with each other?
Then everybody will know that I love chocolate milkshakes.
Oh, some. Firstly, all of us would suddenly become psychic. Secondly, this will prove to be great news for deaf as well as dumb people as they will be able to easily communicate with everybody. Thirdly, over time, due to evolution, we may lose our ability to speak as there will be no need for the same. Fourthly, if our brains were able to communicate with each other over long distances, then mobiles will suffer the same fate that letters did when internet was invented. Fifthly, CEOs of courier and telecom companies will be very sad as company stocks may go down the drain. Sixthly, surveillance may no longer be possible. No more phone tapping. Lastly, singers might be a worried lot, as their years of practice might go in vain. What if we walk 10 miles every day?
You walk. I will just order my burger online.
Oh, some. There are lots of positives if you do so. Firstly, your chances of getting fresh air will increase. Secondly, there will be great psychological benefits of enjoying the surroundings as well as meeting new people. Thirdly, science says that good exercise leads to better sleep, which leads to higher overall energy levels. Fourthly, if you are overweight, then this will definitely be helpful. You will burn a lot of calories and lose weight. Fifthly, it will make your heart strong by keeping the cardiovascular diseases away. Lastly, your leg muscle endurance and bone strength will also increase. On a funnier note, you might get inspired to participate in Tour de France or the Ironman Challenge. Note that if you are suffering from knee or ankle pain, then walking 10 miles every day should be avoided. What if we breathe only by mouth?
Nah, I only lick lollipops using my mouth.
Oh, some. Breathing by nose has a number of advantages. Firstly, hair and mucus in our nose help in filtering out foreign materials, dust, allergens, etc. Secondly, nose breathing releases more nitric oxide, which is ultimately responsible for more release of oxygen. Lastly, Nose adds warmth and moisture to inhaled air. This makes it more suitable for our respiratory tract. Breathing by mouth has the following disadvantages. Firstly, breathing by mouth dries up our saliva. As there is very less saliva, it is unable to protect us against harmful pathogens. Secondly, in children, continuous mouth breathing may lead to crooked teeth or minor jaw deformities. Thirdly, experts believe that mouth breathing can lead to lack of oxygen in our body. Lastly, mouth breathing also leads to sleep apnea. Sleep apnea results in sleep deprivation, which causes fatigue and exhaustion.